chill me to the bone.
Hi everybody, my name's Troy Hawes and welcome once again to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. Today we're going to review a great bluesy rock song called Blue on Black. It was written by Kenny Wayne Shepherd, Mark Selby, and Tia Sillers. Blue on Black just snuck into the Billboard Hot 100, peaking at number 79 in 1998. Now, before we get started, be sure to click the subscribe button, as I'm always trying to put up new content on a regular basis. In addition, if you like my guitar tutorials and covers, you might actually also like my original music, which can now be purchased or streamed from any one of your favorite online music providers. Simply look up Troy Hawes and you'll find my music there. Now what we're going to do first is we're going to look at the chords that you're going to need to know. Then we'll perform an acoustic lounge version of this great song. Afterwards, we'll go in depth and have a closer look at the chord progressions. So if you want to learn a great bluesy rock song from the 90s, stick around. We're going to get started right now. Okay, in order to get all the way through Blue on Black, you're going to need to know just 4 chords. And I promise you they're all very, very easy. Let's have a look at them now. The first one is a D chord. You're going to need to know a C add 9. There's a G chord in it as well. And then finally, there's an A chord. That's it. Those 4 chords are going to get you all the way through this great song. Let's get to the cover.
Doesn't bring you back. blue on black, blue on black, blue on black, blue on black.
All right, super easy and super fun song to play. Now let's get to the chord progression. We're going to break this into two parts for you. We're going to start with a close look at the verses, then we'll finish things off with a look at the chorus. There isn't anything to speak of as far as a bridge to this song, so that makes it very, very easy. With that, let's have a closer look now at the verses. Okay, I want to show you two versions of these verses. One is a simplified acoustic lounge version that you just heard when we played the cover. And then the other is a more accurate account of the Kenny Wade Shepherd's Group version. Now, why did I change that? Well, as I do from time to time on my channel, I take a song that I find to have some challenging parts in it and simplify it so beginners can pick up the song easily and run with it. After all, that's what my channel is all about. Simple guitar tunes that are easy for beginners to play. The Kenny Wade Shepherd version has a lot going on in it, and it can be a little bit harder to sing along with and play at the same time. With that, I want to show you both versions. If you think that you can sing along and play with the Kenny Wade Shepherd version, then by all means, that's why you're here. You want to learn that one. But if you want a simplified kind of strum and sing along type of song, the acoustic lounge version may just be for you. With that, let's have a look at what the Kenny Wade Shepherd Group is doing. Okay, that's the more accurate version of Blue on Black, played by the Kenny Wade Shepherd Group. Now, what are they doing in this version, or in their version? Of course, they're encompassing chords D, C add 9, and G, although the D is a variation, and I'll explain in just a second. So, again, that D chord, everybody knows the standard shape of a D chord. But what they're doing is they're removing that middle finger from the second fret of the first string, and this effectively becomes a chord called a D5. It's like a power chord. Very nice. So again, a D and a D5. Now that your middle finger is not on the second fret of the first string making the D, you're able to move that to the third fret of the fifth string to complete what they're doing in their version. So again, let me show you. It's hard to slow down, but again, so that part's fairly easy. The challenge is the run-up to the C add 9. And when I say a run-up, really what they're doing is they're starting with the open fifth string to the second fret of the fifth string to the third fret of the fifth string, and then they're strumming the C add 9. So, let's start from the beginning. And then to the G chord. One more time. there's a lot going on there that can make this challenging to sing along with and play at the same time. But if you want to take it on, by all means go for it, because this is the correct way to play it. Now with that, let's have a look at the Acoustic Lounge simplified version.
To the bone.
Okay, the Acoustic Lounge version. In their entirety, I play a D, a C add 9, and a G. Now, even though there's a little play on both the D chord and the C add 9, you're already in the shape of the D chord and of the C add 9. Now really, for absolute beginning purposes, you could play this song by just simply playing, without slight variations, the D, the C add 9, and the G. So you could just basically strum the D, the C add 9, and the G very easily and not have those slight variations. But what am I doing differently? Okay, on the D chord, rather than removing my middle finger from the second fret of the first string, I actually remove my first finger from the second fret of the third string, sounding something like this. So again, the shape of the D chord is already there. I'm just simply removing my finger. Now, rather than a run up to the C add 9, like the Kenny Wade and Shepherd group does, I'm simply going like this. We'll start again at the D. So make the shape like you're about to go to the complete C add 9, and really don't add in your first finger till the second strum. Okay? Let me show you again from the beginning. And that's it. That's the only difference between the Acoustic Lounge version and the Kenny Wade and Shepherd group's version of the verses. You choose which one's easier for you to play. Okay, let's finish things off with a closer look at the chorus. It incorporates all four chords, the D, the C add 9, the G, and the A. And in this particular case, you're just strumming the chords. There's no variations or run-ups or anything to that nature here in the chorus, which makes it pretty easy. Starting on the D chord, the chorus goes something like this. Blue on black, tears on a river, push on a shove, it don't mean much. Joker on jack, match on a fire, cold on ice, it's a dead dead man's touch. Whispers on the screen, doesn't change a thing, doesn't bring you back. Blue on black. And that's it. Blue on Black by the Kenny Wayne Shepherd Group. Thank you for tuning in to my Acoustic Lounge. My name is Troy Hawes. Again, if you like my guitar tutorials and covers, please consider subscribing. I do truly appreciate it. Until the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.